Hi, it's Mike.
To add an account in Outlook, first go to File in the top right corner, click Add Account, and wait for this to load. Add the email address and then click Connect. It'll ask you for the password. Click OK, and then that's it. The account will be added next time you restart Outlook. So let's just check. There it is, the account that I've just added.
Thanks for watching. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you would like help with other Microsoft tools or programs, please check out our knowledge base portal or contact us with your request.